MedAire's meddling doctors have learned from hundreds of thousands of cases that better assessment leads to better assistance. With this in mind, MedAire developed the Digital Assessment Kit as part of MedAire 360 solution. The kit is integrated with MedAire's aviation app and offers the most important diagnostic tools your crew members will need to assess and mitigate medical emergencies in flight. The Digital Assessment Kit contains 5 essential items: a 12-lead ECG approved by the FDA. The device is easy to use by non-medical, minimally trained people, and it is fully integrated with MedAire's aviation app. This digital blood pressure monitor is a wrist model approved by international validation entities, is small, lightweight, and easily adjustable to different sizes of people. The kit's glucometer is designed to be used by minimally trained personnel and can be easily replaced by a new one after every use, alleviating the need for calibration. Test strips, lancets, gloves, alcohol wipes, and bandages are included in the kit to use with the glucometer. The pulse oximeter is top of its class and uniquely provides 5 critical parameters that help the doctors to make a better assessment of the condition. The contactless thermometer is a medical-grade device allowing fast readings without contacting the passenger's skin by measuring ambient and surface temperature. In addition to the diagnostic equipment, the kit contains an iPad preloaded with MedAire's aviation app. The app's assistant module will walk crew through a medical event and prompting them to record vitals as they go. When all the steps are completed, the app will transmit a summary to the meddling doctors using the onboard Wi-Fi.